Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. So in this video, I'll tell you how we can create an intent builder. First of all, that and why we need of this, right? Because it's almost 2026, and so it's just end of December 2025, and it's going to start almost 2026. So in this 2026, I think every people who now know how to use this AI in a better way for manual tasks, they are going to do something better, right? Because we have to save a lot of time, so we can put our actual time understanding the business problems and solving those issues instead of doing this drag and drop each and every day. It's good from the learning perspective, but it's not good from the growing or kind of expanding perspective. So keeping those things in our mind, I have created this particular annotate builder. What it does, it just take an input from chat and it generate very detailed kind of workflow that we want. So for an example, let me show you that I have just did right now. I wanted to create a workflow which generates AI news on daily basis using RSS field, and it sends me in my mail telegram top 5 news on daily basis. Here are example workflow. So I have given example workflow, okay, so it can understand how I need it, and here the result just in just 1 and 2 minutes. Okay, so if I'll just show you the executions also for all the workflows. So I have tested and tried with different model, because that what important. Okay, so let me show you. So once I'll go on executions, here you will able to see GPT 5.2 has took a lot of minutes. That's the reason it consumes a lot of token also. Cloud Opus took almost 38 seconds, and Gemini 3 Flash took almost 12 seconds only, the same way. So I have tested with different model, and I'll just show you the result also. So here you can see the result. This was the result for Grok 4.1. So of course like the better LLM, the better model you are going to use, who can think better, will give you the perform better, right? So here you can see it almost failed it, right? It is even not able to connect the Telegram node as well. So Grok is totally failed. Here we can see Gemini 3 Flash, it is at least better as compared to the previous one. It's just the reason because we have given the less context. Based on that, it generated whatever we wanted. Now if I'll show you Claude 4.5 Opus, yeah, this is really detailed, and this is what we wanted. This is the kind of workflows we wanted. So you can see over a bit, of course, costly. Claude, not bit, it's almost like 10 times costly than Gemini 3 Flash. But yeah, the result you can see in front over here. And here I'll show you, this is the result of GPT 5.2. Even though GPT 5.2 is less costly, but it consumes more tokens than Claude Opus. So this is giving me more cost as of now. So we need to see if this is doing again and again. In that case, we need to stick only for Claude Opus 4.5, which is giving the best result as of now. So if I'll show you the result over here, this is the token that has been consumed. You can see Gemini 3 Flash has cost me almost 0.008 cents. Haiku cost me 0.01, that's fine. Now Cloud Opus cost me $0.10. Whether GPT 5.2 cost me $0.11, it's more than this, right? Because you can see it consumed a lot of tokens, 7,800 output tokens, and it is just 3,400, right? Input is fine, but output context is very high. That's the reason this costing me way more than this one. And if I'll show you the cost of this particular GPT 5.2, you will amazed that it is almost 4 times less costly than Claude Opus, but still we have to pay more. So now here you can see it is $1.7 per million input tokens, output $14 per million. And if I say Claude Opus 4.5, then here you will come, yeah, $5, almost 4 times. But right now it is almost the equal cost or the lesser cost than GPT 5.2. Reason because it consumes a lot of tokens. So the better and option, right? Of course, we have two better options, GPT 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.5. We can use GPT 5.2 because this is also very detailed. This is the structure workflow we want. But if it is still costing us more, or it's again doing same and same, then we can move towards Claude Opus 4.5, right? And you can see these are very detailed. Even it is it's prompted also. If I'll show you here you can see it prompted as well, this particular AI agent. You are an expert AI news curator, and journalist. Your job is to analyze AI related news articles and select the most important, impactful, and interesting stories of the day you should focus on. So it did everything in just 30 seconds. This is the beauty, right? And that is how we have to use this AI technology in 2026. So nothing is obsoleting, nothing is throwing you back. It's all about how we are using these technologies, right? How we are making our work more and more better, more and more fast. So if I'm an annotated builder or kind of automation expert, I have to use technology for my work as well, which can save my lot of time, so I can focus on actual thing that is important, right? And that is how we all will grow. That is how any businesses grow as well, to focus on creative part, which can help you to save your time, save your money, make you money. It can reduce your effort, all those things. So now here, just let me show you how I have built it, and then we are done. I'll provide the JSON file for the same if you want it. So you can also check and test and try, just add your credentials and you are done. So right now here you will able to see when chat message received. As soon as we'll send the chat, what it will do, it will go over here at N18 builder, and here we have it just AI agent node. So here you can see we have given system prompt. Also, you are an expert AI workflow developer specialized in working. So yeah, prompt is very detailed. For the best part, we'll give you this particular, to document use this data from. So we have, of course, we can give memory as well if you want. So we can fine tune with different JSON file, JSON workflows to get a better output. So just I'll give you this particular JSON workflow, so you will be getting by default this particular, the system. Fine. So once you will get this JSON file, once you will plug in with your system, you will able to see proper the same prompt as well, and then you can tweak as per your need. Now we have added this chat model. So from here I'm just using OpenRouter. That's the reason I'm able to test different model, right? GPT 5.2 and then Cloud Opus 4.5, each and every different model that I want, I can use from here. Okay, I can tweak different models, and then just I have connected with this N18 workflow node. So all you need to do, just get this particular node, and then you have to add your credentials. So just you have to go over here, then you have to get your API keys. How you can get your API key? By going in the setting. So let me show you. Once you go in your setting, you have your API key, just copy and paste and you are done. So once I'll go here and let me go in my setting, and here you can see N18 API. Just get your API, copy and paste over here, and then we need to connect this base URL. This is important. So what does it mean? It means this will take this particular n18.ai with group.cloud and then /API/v1. Okay. In case if you are using the N18 hosted version itself, the main one, the N18 cloud, then in that case you just have to put your name .api.app.n18.cloud. I'm using Hostinger. That's the reason this looks like this. So you can just tweak your name, and then you will able to add. Remember, just /API/v1 before that, everything that is over here. Okay, if I have n18.group.cloud, I'll add that. If I have AI with group.app.n18, that I will add till cloud. Okay, I hope you got it. You will able to understand. If I'll show you my example, so here you will able to see, here I have added https n18.ai with group.com.cloud API v1. Simple. That is how you can connect. And then we need to add set node over here, and then we need to drag and drop http.n18, so your particular URL over here, and then JSON ID, json.id. That's all. JSON ID, you will be getting the link JSON ID from here, which will create a link with this JSON ID, and here you can see, right? And then you will be getting a link. You can just copy and paste and you can open it in new tab, and you will able to see it's working pretty fine over here. Once I'll just click and search, so you will able to see it will give you a result. Okay, so yes, that all we need to do. Nothing more than that. Fine.